In this video, we're going to take a look at how to play the E major chord. Okay, we're going to go first out of the gate. We're going to go 3 open strings. Your 6th string, which is your low E string, will be open. Your 2nd string, which is the B string, will be open, as well as the 1st string, which is the high E string. The remaining notes, we're going to use our index, middle, and ring finger to play those notes. How I do it is I will take my middle finger and I will put it on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, my ring finger for the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then my index finger for the 1st fret of the 3rd string. And again, as I mentioned earlier, the remaining strings are open, but we do play all 6 strings. When we strum the chord, that's your E major chord. Or if you want to arpeggiate it note for note, or I should say string for string, that's your E major chord.